I was able to take 4 different trades during my morning session today, which lasted from 8:30 to 9:45 Central. Let's go ahead and dive into those trades and why I took them. All right, news-wise, got nothing today. Financial juice, January 30th, got nothing really. Wednesday, we do have FOMC. Tomorrow, we get consumer confidence. Wednesday, FOMC. Friday, NFP. So kind of a stacked week. We'll see what it brings. So far in the overnight session, markets are down 1.15% on the NAS, 0.72% on the ES. This is what it looks like. Nice little sell-off, pushing back up into VWAP. We go into the NAS. Not quite there on the push yet. We got value area low from Friday sitting at 106. Value area high at 264. Pushing back above value area high in VWAP. Coming back down to test this little range potentially. Bouncing out of it. May lead for a nice rotation back up to the 180s. Maybe even 250. If we crack 250, then we're definitely looking at the 300s. But that's a to be decided sort of situation. Hey, Matt just passed step 2. You taught me a lot. Yo, GG's, Paul. Congratulations on passing step 2. Chat, drop a GG for Paul real quick. Love having people say they're earning it. That's pretty sick. Two this morning already. Earning funded accounts. That's pretty dope. If you're interested, it's the first link down below. ES is making new highs on the day so far with blocks to the upside, which will naturally bring the NAS with it. I'm actually going to take a stab long here off of volume off the 80s. See if we can get the continued push here. Not doing it. Stopped out. Wanted to see us hold this. Looked like we were having a little bit of life. Delta came in on the second, third candle. Ended up rotating into 80 volume. I was wanting us to hold 87 volume. That's fine. Testing opening range high here. It's still a pretty interesting spot. I'm short on the NAS. I like that push up into 20 again. Overall, everything just seems very heavy to me. I want to give this a little bit more room. At least gonna give it to that swing high. Got stopped out. Want to take a slippage. That's good. 95 bucks. On to the next. Pretty high probability trade there in my opinion. The push off of VWAP into 120. The push right back into VWAP. Delta not really pushing up there in comparison to the prior high when we're 5 points off the prior high or less. Just a pretty good divergence, so I'll take that trade. I like it. Looking for the short at opening range high here. So opening range high, VWAP, Delta looks heavy. All kind of reasons why I'm looking to get short. I'm just gonna participate short. That worked well. I got my full 10 points there on the break of the prior low. That's why I got why I got short. We obviously were rejecting VWAP. Like I said, in my opinion, if we reject and get through VWAP, it's going to be a pretty quick rotation down to the 80s, 70s. We started rejecting VWAP pretty quickly. Buyers were not around. I marketed in short, so I didn't have to miss the move and got my full 10 points there. On to the next. All right, here we go. Cracking through 12K. We got a lot of sellers coming through. ES ripping through 53. So that's new actual lows on the day. Got volume all the way through 50. I'm taking a short here on that test at 12K. I want to see us flush 50 real quick. Don't know if it's going to happen. I'm out. I got 90 bucks there. So it took two ticks of slippage on my stop loss, break even stop. But overall, a very quick and very fine trade for me. Waited for 12K to crack. Figure out if we have a lot of sellers through there or not. We did. Wait for the little quick retest of it, which we saw here. Get in short with all of the sellers still standing strong. Bunch of volume on the ES, the downside. ES making new lows for the very first time today, feeling like it's playing catch up, which will naturally be a little heavy, and get short.